Hello, welcome to This Travel Duo. Today is exactly 1 week before we actually leave for Disney. So I just, so I just got out of the shower. As you can see, I'm wearing my new hair wrap. Amazing. It really sucks up the water. But anyways, so I'm about to do my skincare routine. But I just figured I'd hop on and kind of give you guys like a little update of what's been going on. So I'm going to use the viewfinder as a mirror so I know where I'm applying my creams. But anyways, so like I said, it's 1 week before the trip. I'm getting, I'm going to be honest. I am, for some weird reason, not very excited as other times. I don't know what it is. Like, I'm happy that I'm going to Disney, but at the same time, it's not the same. It's not the same enthusiastic, like super giddy and excited feeling that I've had other times. I don't know if it has to do with all the changes that Disney has done, with all the things that they've removed. I don't know if I'm just for some reason nervous. Well, I do have reasons to be nervous because, it's a first time of many things. First time we go on a trip like this since this pandemic started. And then also, it's a first time traveling with a service dog. So that's a little bit stressful. It's the first time going when all these changes that have been happening at Disney, like no fast pass and then the stupid lightning lane, and like I'm afraid that like we won't be able to enjoy it. And it's the first time we're going where we're actually gonna do self-pay out of pocket for our like dining at Disney, and so I'm a little nervous because of that. Where is my face cream? Oh, here it is. So I'm just all around all nervous, and I'm just and then it's a very short trip. Usually we take a week or longer trips, and so this one is just like 3 full days and then 2 half days, I guess, because that's including arrival and departure. So we're gonna be very, very, very in a rush, I feel. And I'm just nervous how it's all gonna work out without fast passes. So there's that. Hold on, I forgot my moisturizer, my lip moisturizer. Um, I'm just very, very nervous. And then I can tell that I'm not as excited or that there's something different compared to other times, because other times when it's like at a week's time out, like at a week's away from the trip, I would have already started packing because I am a nervous Nelly, and I like to pack, pre-pack well in advance. And I'm talking about like when there's still 2 weeks left. And I don't know if things are changing in my way of being. Like I'm a little bit more laid back, and I'm like, I'm gonna get it packed, or if I'm just kind of still not believing that I'm going, or because of all these stresses and new things, nuances, I'm a little bit nervous. I think another thing that I'm kind of nervous about is how they're saying how there might be flight disruptions, and that's how it's been um, all around the country with different airlines, and specifically the one we're traveling. And so I'm just afraid that there'll be delays, and then weather, things that are not able to be controlled. I think I'm just all over very anxious, and I don't know what is going on, but I'm gonna put this face serum. Um, so yeah, there's that. But I do feel like I need to hurry up and start packing because during the week I'm busy at work, and so I'm like rubbing all of this all over. During the week I'm busy at work, so I don't have that much time to do it, and then I have other responsibilities, and then I still have to like see if I need last minute things that I need to go buy during the week. And then it's a long it's a weekend holiday because Thanksgiving is coming up, and so what I'm worried about is like the madness of people. You know how people get during Black Friday or during holidays, because I'm afraid of like everything that can go wrong, you know? And so I think that is robbing away from my happiness. Um, but I'm gonna try to push that aside. Right now, I just got out of the shower. I actually just finished, before showering, I finished my daughter's press on it. So she changed her mind. You know how last time she wanted me to do like a Tangled inspired design for her? Now she changed it, and now she doesn't want acrylics, like she wants press-ons. So I designed her press-ons. And then not only that, but she decided to change last minute the design. So she went from wanting Tangled to this. So this is what I came up with and I made for her. I added like a little video on TikTok if you guys want to go see it. It's under Eats a Things, because we do have an early flight. Our flight leaves like at 6 in the morning. So, sorry, 7 in the morning. But because of the service dog, we need to be there at least an hour and a half or two prior. So yeah. So I think I'm gonna do my actual acrylic nails like on Thursday or Friday, and then my pedicure I'm probably gonna do it Wednesday. Packing, I might get some stuff packed or start to pack some stuff today, but I'm not quite sure because there's still some things that I might be using. I don't know. I'm very confused. So today we're actually 6 days away. I haven't packed. I haven't even started to pack like I said I would. By the way, okay, so you guys know how we're having dinner at the Contemporary, our first night, the 50th anniversary dinner, and we're having it there. And so of course I have my little dress. She's wearing her dressy pants, and we're thinking like, well, Russell, the dog, my daughter's service dog, he needs, you know, to be fancy smashy. So she decided, we went to the store because I had to buy this craft glue because I did, I'm going to try to use it for some stuff. And then I also like blinged out my little pop socket to have that iridescent color. I'll maybe show it to you right now. But anyways, let's get it. So we went to Hobby Lobby and we saw some stuff. So she's trying to make him a little tuxedo. And it's mostly going to be kind of like a bandana type, where he can just like tie it, and then you could just see it here on the front of his chest, and then like the little bow tie. So cute. Hopefully it comes out right, because she has no sewing experience, but I think my grandma's gonna help him or help her. But let me show you my pop socket. The pop socket, isn't it cute? Look at that blingy. And then I'm so excited because, oh, the wrong thing. My little, I've been saving this. My daughter got this one for me, one for her, as soon as we found out that we were going to Disney. And I've been waiting for this. I hope I don't forget it. So I'm gonna just put it right there so I could see it. Just stop getting excited because I started to get like a really strong headache right now because of all the excitement. It's funny how I was saying the other day that I'm not feeling very excited, but I think like deep down I am. It's just I'm not. I don't know. But anyways. Last time I spoke to you guys, I said how I was getting like a headache and I needed to calm down. I kid you not even 10 minutes, much less than 10 minutes after I said that and I stopped talking to you guys, I had one of the most excruciating headaches I've had in a while. I suffer from chronic migraines. And it was much worse in the past. It got better these last few years. So I've had really bad migraines before where I've had to get like an injection and taking pills at the same time. This time I don't know. I still have a migraine right now. It's not as bad as it was earlier. I actually went to sleep. I took a couple pills and I fell asleep. Like I had to stop working just like that. It got to the point where I was wanting to cry from the pain, but if I let my emotion take over and cry, like my head, I felt like it was gonna explode. I wanted to call somebody. I don't know who. I don't know what I thought people could do, but I still couldn't like get up, get the phone and call. It was horrible, and I still have like remnants of the pain. I'm noticing right now that my eyes are kind of swollen. I just got up from the bed and turned on the light a few minutes ago because I couldn't even like keep my eyes open. I couldn't do anything. So that put a damper in the rest of the day. I still have so many things to do. I'm gonna start taking out the luggage and start putting in the clothes that can be put in. Okay, so today is Tuesday and I have not packed anything. We are currently 5 days out from our trip. After my migraine yesterday, I had very little desire to do anything. But, and crazy enough, today I'm having a really bad headache as well. So I'm taking out my packing cubes so that eventually, later, hopefully today, I can start packing the clothes that I know I'm not going to need or from now until our trip. So like our outfits and everything. Maybe I can show you guys a little bit. But you can always check out our Instagram because that is where I also post pictures. And I've posted some pictures of our outfits. Sorry, I'm struggling to open this. So on our Instagram, Diz Travel Duo, you can see some of our outfits. But anyways, these I got on Amazon, these packing cubes, and I absolutely love them because it came with all of these and like different sizes, and I have even like small ones too. And then it comes with like this shoe bag. So I'm probably gonna put like my shoes for our dinner at the Contemporary. They're not fancy, they're just little comfy flats. Don't think they're super fancy. And then this one too, I actually used both of these as, or all three of these as like shoe bags. And then this one too, because it's a really like nice resistant one. So all right, so I have this out. Hopefully I have it all out in my bed, and this will motivate me to try to get some stuff. I do need to, however, sorry for them as my purse is just thrown. I do need to iron my dress because it's back there, as you can see. This is the dress that I'm going to be wearing. It has the airplane crazy, I think it's called. But anyways, I actually need to iron this. I need to iron this out because it's extremely wrinkled. But I'm so happy with this dress. I do like it. It's very comfortable, so it's nothing super fancy. And look, I love the little crew stitched thing or whatever that is. And these are the shoes that I'm gonna be wearing. They're very, very comfortable. I really like Billabong. I've used these type of shoes before. Well, not these particular, but like Billabongs, and they're very comfortable. And these are the shoes. They're flats because I mean, even though I do want to go nicely, I think they'll go nicely with the, here, let me put them here. I think they will go nicely with the dress. They're all, look at these. Oh my goodness, I'm so happy. The clothing that I found Like, for example, look, this is what I'm actually going to plan to wear on day of departure, so I can be comfy. And then with these leggings, and they go together. Oh, so cute. Because we are hitting, like I said, Animal Kingdom the first day. So this is what I'm gonna start to like set aside. Actually, this one, since I'm taking it on, I can't pack it. Oh my goodness, see, I can't think. But I have all these other, like, these are just black biker shorts. These I can pack. And then these are for, I haven't even removed the tags. See, some park day ones. Aren't they cute? Some more biker shorts. And then in case it does get, because I've heard that you guys have had, like in Florida, a little bit of a cooler weather. I also have like not just shorts, but like these longer leggings. And look, it's with Grogu. It's super cute. I'm so excited. And then that one goes with this shirt I have underneath. So that's that. Super excited. I truly, truly am. So I'm gonna start like putting these in bags, just so I make sure that I have all my outfits put together. But yeah, now I have all of this to start like packing into the packing cubes. And so excited. It's feeling more real. My baby boy, he's tired from being cute. No, he's tired from going to practice on the escalator. Apparently he failed and was too scared. Were you scared, boy? Look, your sock. Please pick it up. Okay. So, how did he do on his,
He's terrible at escalators.
He's terrible at escalators?
Yes.
Well, he failed, so I guess he's gonna have to just go on the elevators or just stairs. Oh, you poor boy.
3 hours.
A 3-hour tour.